Hey guys, this is a quick troubleshooting guide on wiring your Maestro control module switch to your Sony head unit. I have a Sony XAV AX4000 with the wireless CarPlay, and I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're having the same exact symptom as me. And if you have a different unit, I'm pretty sure this should still be able to apply to your vehicle with your specific head unit. Pretty much what I was having problems with was I wired everything in according to what the manufacturer told us, and after hooking everything up, programming it to the 2008 Honda Element and hooking it up to this unit, none of the buttons were working properly. It would fast forward every 10 seconds, the volume would be intermittent, the down volume wouldn't work for lowering the audio. So what I did was I used an auxiliary cable, the 3.5mm jack, and I hardwired it to the vehicle's harness. So instead of having the customized switches input onto the module, I'm just programming it from Sony and the vehicle. That's it. There's nothing in between. So I'm taking this out of the equation. So what I pretty much did was I wired in the 12-volt accessory, which is this red and yellow coming in from the harness side of the vehicle. This is coming out towards the unit. So harness side vehicle, red, yellow. I wired it to the red cable on this auxiliary port. If your cable is a different color, what you can do is get a multimeter, and those three wires that you have cut, have it exposed where the copper wires are showing, or the tin wires, and just go on resistance or continuity and verify that it's going to make a sound on the meter. So on the tone setting, it should beep, and if it beeps, then we're installing it on the correct wire with the correct connector. So red, yellow to red. Next one would be the green and red Christmas right here, and that would be going to the white wire, which would be, if you did a continuity test, be going to this middle section of the auxiliary cable, and that would be the signal. If you're looking at your connector A, vehicle side, it would be pin 3, and that's going to match right here, the center section of the auxiliary port. Sorry for the bad trying. And then the last one would be the black cable going into the brown wire, vehicle side, and that would be alpha 14, ground. And after you're situated with that, you pretty much go through your interface on the Sony, and you could program it, and after that's all situated, just kind of reverse installation for all the wires. I'm going to go through a quick function on how to program your radio unit. Okay, so after you put all your panels back and verify that your connectors are all working in order, you want to head over to your interface's settings. This might not apply if you do not have a Sony, so bear with me and try to utilize the same technique and carry it over to your unit. Head over to systems, steering wheel settings, clear any existing settings. So if you want to now have a customized setting, for me, I just want to keep these volume buttons the same. I want this to be the next track and then the track before. So it would be volume up, if you put volume, that's register now, volume down, next track, back, and back. So now we have, if we go on home setting, up, down. I don't have a song playing, but if I did, it would be back, forward. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the steering wheel control system that's hardwired into your factory harness going out to your aftermarket head unit. If you have any other questions, just leave a comment below and I'll try to answer it accordingly. Thank you again for watching this video, and hopefully this video helped you out, because I was definitely stumped. when I was installing the Maestro system. All right, you guys take care.